Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sagar Pushp and you're watching Doctor's Desk. So in the last video we have discussed about the working style of the health unit and subdivisional hospitals. I hope you have liked that video. So in the continuation of that video, in this video we're going to discuss about the working style of the divisional hospitals and the central hospitals of the railways. So if you are clearing the UPSCCMS exams and you are getting the Irhs cadre, what are the chances that you will get posting in the central hospital or the divisional hospital? We're going to discuss in details in this video. So hope you're going to like this video also. So kindly share, subscribe and follow my channel. So let's start the video now. So before start discussing the working style of the divisional hospitals and the central hospitals, I thought again we'll revise the types of hospital in railways, so it will be easy for all of you to understand the hierarchy of the railway hospitals. So I had already discussed about the health unit and dispensaries and subdivisional hospitals. So in this video now we're going to discuss the works of hospitals, divisional hospitals, production unit hospitals and the central hospitals in detail. So hope all of you gonna enjoy this video. So starting with first, we're going to discuss about the divisional hospital. After that, we'll discuss about the production unit hospital and then works of hospital and finally the central hospital. So starting with the divisional hospitals, divisional hospital in railways, like in each zone there will be 3 to 4 divisions and total 19 zones are there in all over India. I already told about in previous videos. So there are total approximately 70 to 80 divisional hospitals in all over India. So the divisional hospital consists of IPD, OPD and emergency facility, and after that it will be around 100 to 120 bedded hospital, and there will be more than 15 to 20 doctors posted there, and the in charge of this hospital will be chief medical superintendent, that is the CMS of the division. The division will be handled by the chief medical superintendent. I had already told that each zone have 3 to 4 divisions, and each division have around 3 to 4 subdivision and more than 10 to 12 health units in one subdivision. So approximately if you'll see, it will be around more than 30-40 health units in one divisional hospitals. So the whole work of that thing will be handled by the CMS. So similarly, what I have discussed about the health unit, that what all work they have to do, that ADMO have to do at the health unit, the similar work will be done at high level in the divisional hospitals. Like there will be a separate in charge for each department in divisional hospitals. Like someone will get the OPD in charge, someone will get the IPD in charge, someone will be the OT in charge, operation theatre facility will be there, surgeons will be posted there, other physicians will be posted there. The mainly specialists are there in the divisional hospitals. Some MBBS graduates also will be there, but numbers are less. So if you are just an MBBS, the chances are high that you will be get posting in the health unit or in the subdivisional hospital. If you talk about the divisional hospitals, if you are a specialist, the chances are more high you will get posting in divisional hospitals or in central hospitals. In the last video I have discussed the same thing. So now about the divisional hospitals, I had already told that more than 15 to 20 doctors are posted there. They will be ADMO, DMO, senior DMO, ACMS and finally CMS. So these are the basic posts will be at the divisional hospital. Apart from doing the treatment works, there will be different departments. Like I already have discussed in my previous video that there will be separate health and family welfare department. There will be separate department for the working of the railway hospitals, and there will be separate in charge to look after the work of the subdivisional and the health unit separately. So similarly here also those are the different in charges have to do the regular inspection of the work or the stations or the premises or the subdivisional hospitals health units which are come under that. So in the divisional hospitals, mainly divisional hospitals are posted in the second tier cities, just like the Bhopal, Bangalore, Lucknow and other second tier cities. So if you are getting divisional hospital, you are lucky enough that you will get posting in the second tier cities, and central hospitals are always posted in the metro cities. So if we'll talk about the production unit hospital is separate entity. Railways have their own production units, such as their production unit for the wagons, for the electric engines, for the coaches. So there will be a separate entity, and for the designing of the railways There, so you can check it out that RDSO Lucknow will be there, just like Chittaranjan Locomotive Works will be there. In Varanasi, there is locomotive works are there. So they have the different, they have their own specialty, super specialty hospital, and in their own campus there will be everything available, and other officers are also living there, and all the workers are living there in that big area of that particular production unit. So there is separate, there is not related to any zone or anything, there is not any subdivision or health unit. There will be one or two health units there, but mainly they have the super specialty hospitals. So if you are getting posting in production unit also, you are lucky enough that you are getting posting in super specialty hospital. And now we'll talk about the workshop hospital. In workshop hospital, if you'll see, railways have some small workshop at the zonal levels. So they have their 20 to 30 bedded hospitals are there. Mainly workshop hospitals have 20 to 30 bedded, and maybe just have their you can see 10-20 bedded hospitals are there. So in workshop hospitals, specialists also get postings. Mainly the MBBS graduates will get posting there. In production unit, I can say is mainly a specialist getting posting there, but the chances are there that those are MBBS graduate get posting at any level, but it's depend on your luck and the vacancy. So overall, if you'll see divisional hospital, production unit, workshop hospitals, mainly they are located in the big second tier cities or in third tier cities. To hope you got to know what all work you have to do at the divisional level hospitals. In divisional hospitals, you'll get posting, means I mean to say you will get 2 to 3 emergency duties you have to do in the emergency. Whatever specialty you have in the railways, whatever specialty you have, you need to do 1 or 2 emergency duties weekly. And it also depends on the how many people are get posted there. So depend on that, you will get posting at least 1 emergency duty you have to do in a week. And there will be separate different departments at the divisional hospitals, like surgery department, ENT department, ophthalmology department, and other specialists. And there will be general OPD also, where the MBBS graduates will sit and see the patients and transfer and refer to the different surgery, medicine, and all, like same like in the medical colleges. So divisional hospitals, I had already told, it's just like the district hospitals of the state hospitals. So hope I have discussed the basic part of the divisional production and workshop hospitals, and it will help you in choosing your career. So we'll move to the central hospital. Central hospital is just like the medical college of the central hospital, and it is the final zonal level. Central hospital is mainly at the zones. Mainly it will be at the zones, like if you see the northern railway, you have heard about the northern railway. Northern railway central hospital at the Connaught Place, New Delhi. In the eastern railway, BR Singh hospital at the Kolkata. Southeastern railway, southeastern central railway hospital at the Garden Reach, and many more railway hospitals are there. Central hospitals are there, and in that department there will be super specialty ward also there. Super specialty departments are also there at the central hospitals. It's just like the medical colleges, you will get every treatment there. The people, those who are not get treatment at divisional or subdivisional or health unit level, they are referred to the central hospitals. So some central hospitals are providing the post-graduation DNB courses also. So I'll discuss in just in few seconds. So in central hospitals, you will see more than 30-40 doctors are posted there in their own specialty. They have their own separate departments. They are working at their own departments. And some people, after doing the 20-25 years of work, they'll get the administrative post, and after that they have to look after the administrative work also, along with their specialist work also at the railway. So they have to look after the whole zone. There will be separate what I can say, store will be there for all the pharmacy work and all the instruments for the OTs and all other things which are required in the hospitals. There will be separate store, and store in charge will be there who will look after the work of stores. So apart from doing your specialty work, you have to do the some administrative work also. So you can enjoy. Some people get frustrated, and some people get used to it, and they'll enjoy all these things. So it depends on person to person. Many people say many things, but it totally depends on you how you gonna look after the works of these things. So I hope I have discussed the central hospital in brief, and in the finally I'm telling, if you are a specialist or you have super specialist, chances are there you will get posting in central hospitals, and central hospitals are mainly in the metro cities or 3-tier cities. So if we move, these are the basics. These are the 8 top railway post-graduation teaching hospitals, which all of you know. They are providing the different specialty DNB courses at their hospital. Such as the BR Singh Hospital of the Eastern Railway in Kolkata, Northern Railway Central Hospital at New Delhi, South Eastern Railway Hospital Garden Reach Kolkata, Jagjivan Ram Hospital Western Railway Mumbai, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Hospital Central Railway Baikula Mumbai, Southern Railway Hospital Perambur Chennai, South Central Railway Hospital Secunderabad Telangana, and Northwestern Railway Central Hospital Jaipur. Many more or central hospitals are there. Total 19 zones are there, so 19 central hospitals are there. But these top 8 basic central hospitals are there, which are providing the DNB PG courses at multi-specialty level. So, and some other central hospitals are there where the one or two DNB courses are going, DNB post-graduation courses are going on in some one or two departments. But these 8 have their multi-specialty DNB courses. So I hope I have cleared every doubts. If you are having any doubt related to the railway hospitals, working style of railway hospitals, and whatever if you want to know, just let me know. Kindly put your question in the comment section, or you can directly message me on my Insta, Telegram, or my Facebook page. I'll try my best to answer all of your queries. If it get delayed, I'm really sorry, because I'm also doing my residency, so I'm not getting much time to answer all of your queries. If you have any queries, you can just put in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer all those things. So I hope last 2 parts of this video you have watched. If you haven't watched, I'll share the link in the description, so you can go and watch first that all the videos where I have discussed about the post and promotion in RHS cadre and the basic working style of the railways and other types of railways hospitals. So I hope I have cleared the types of railway hospitals and the working style of the railway hospitals in detail in these 3 parts. So a lot more are coming for you in the upcoming videos, where we're going to discuss, we're going to listen the experiences of the different doctors who are going to share their life journey and the basic things which all we all should know before moving ahead in life. And many more things are coming, and I'm collecting information regarding the post graduation courses at different hospitals, medical colleges and different branches, and also about the different branches. So hope it all will gonna help you, and I'm gonna collecting information about some more things which I surprisingly I gonna share with you soon. So I'm trying my best to help all of you. So kindly you also help others, because it will again come back to you in any form. So I love to help others, so I'm sharing all these things. So thank you, and thanks for watching. Again I'm saying, kindly follow, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.